How to merge CSV files in Python. 3 files in, 1 data frame out. 3 methods today. Pandas, polars, and the polars one-liner with a glob. You have a folder of CSV files. Broker exports, monthly drops, partition dumps. Same schema across all of them, just different row sets. The output you want is 1 data frame. Stack them top to bottom. Keep the columns in order. Ignore the per file row counts. Today, same 14-ticker dataset split across 3 CSV files, 28,000 rows total. 3 methods, all arriving at the same merged frame. We're merging 3 CSV files into 1 data frame. Same schema across all 3, just different row sets. List the files in the directory. 3 of them, partitioned by ticker group. Open nvim. Save it as merge_csv.py. 3 imports: glob, pandas, polars. Method 1. Pandas. List comprehension over the file list, pd.concat, with ignore_index. 2 lines. The path of least resistance. Method 2. Polars. Same shape, pl.concat. Roughly 5 times faster on the same input, lower memory footprint. Method 3. The polars one-liner. pl.scan_CSV with a glob expression. Builds a lazy plan. Reads every matching file in parallel, calls collect to materialize. The killer feature is that the lazy plan supports filter and column pushdown. Chain filters before collect, and the reader only touches the bytes you actually need. Save and run with Python. Three things to take away. First, the 3 modern methods all arrive at the same result on a clean schema. Pandas for the default path. Polars for speed. Polars scan_CSV for the one-line glob. Second, always sanity check the row count after merging. If actual rows do not match the sum of per file rows, you have a schema mismatch silent bug. Third, schema drift is the silent killer. Pandas quietly UP casts on mismatch. Polars defaults to strict mode and raises, which is safer. Write the merged frame as parquet so the schema survives reload. Like, subscribe, comment, and share if this helped. Subscribe to the playlist for more Python answers.